Yesterday, I shared the viral whole lemon drink. I got a bunch of comments on the video from our lovely community here, and somebody said,
Call me frozen because I'm not going to let it go. Lemon ice cream?
and then somebody else chimed in, that sounds like a great Ninja Creami experiment. And I couldn't agree more. So today we're going to see if the viral whole lemon drink can become ice cream. Oh, wow. I don't know that I was expecting this. These are the ingredients that we need. We have some agave here. And that's my sweetener. Instead of using honey, you can use agave, you could use maple syrup, you could use soft dates. And then, of course, we have the whole lemon. It's important to use an organic lemon and to clean it well, because we are using the entire lemon. With the pulp, if you do strain it, you don't have to, but I think it's going to be better if you strain it, especially for the Ninja Creami. I'm going to use about 10 grams of ginger. It's about an inch. If you love ginger, you might want more. Use fresh ginger over powdered ginger. It's going to make a difference. So instead of using olive oil, I am using hemp hearts or hemp seeds. These have so many good nutrients, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, so really good healthy fats. You've got some fiber and you've got 10 grams of protein. We're going to use slightly less than 2 tablespoons. I am going with 1.5 cups water this time because that's going to be the perfect amount to fit into the Ninja Creami pint container. Get all your ingredients into your blender. Time to blend. I could tell this is not blending. It blended for a while and did nothing. Now I've got it in quarters. It worked the first time I did it. Oh, so lemony, so nice. Use a fine mesh strainer to strain. This is the pulp that I have left, but probably press a little bit more of the liquid out here and get a drier pulp. If I left the pulp in here, it probably would have gone a little bit over the max fill line here. Before you freeze it, make sure it's the level of sweetness that you want. And keep in mind that the perceived sweetness when it's frozen is less than it is now. So you might want to have a little more sweet than you think. I think that needs a little more sweetness. It could even use a little more. You can use whatever sweetener you like. If you prefer a non-calorie sweetener, like natural sweetener like monk fruit or stevia, you could do that. There's allulose. There's a lot of different no-calorie, sweeteners. I am getting some bitterness from the pith in this one. I'm going to add a tiny bit of stevia. It's like half of a packet. That's much better. I've been freezing without the lid on it because sometimes a little hump forms as it freezes. Leaving the lid off helps prevent that from happening. I'm going to put the lid on to take it over to the freezer so it doesn't spill. A lot of people have been asking, and I've been wondering too, how this would be if we just made it with the zest and the flesh of the lemon, if that would get rid of the bitterness we have when we use the whole lemon. So this version, we're just using the zest and the flesh of the lemon. I've removed the white part and the seeds as well. Hopefully that will take care of any bitterness. We are losing out on some nutrition that's there in the pith and the seeds. I was just trying to get as much of the lemon in there as possible. Another option would be to get a seedless lemon, but we're making a frozen treat, so let's give us the best shot of making a delicious, healthy frozen treat. And now let's get all the ingredients into the blender. Fresh ginger, 1.5 tablespoons hemp seeds, 2 tablespoons agave, and the water. Now let's blend. how this came out. I'm actually going to taste this. Mmm. Oh, that's good. I think I am going to do a tiny bit of stevia just to reduce the amount of added sweetener. Do a little bit more. Oh, that's much better because we don't have the pith in there. It's not as thick and creamy. And now we're just going to get this into the freezer. 24 hours in the freezer. We have our Ninja Creami pint frozen with our viral lemon drink. This one has the whole lemon in it. We're going to see how it comes out, if there's a bitterness or how creamy it is. Is it going to be more like an ice cream or more like a sorbet? I don't know. So there's a little bit of a hump there. You can see it's not quite as even. So I'm just going to level that off. Kind of like a snow cone-ish situation there, it seems like. I was going to choose the light ice cream setting, but I'm going to go with the sorbet setting. Oh, wow. I don't know that I was expecting this. Oh, wow. It's creamier than I thought it would be. I thought this was going to be kind of more like a sorbet. Check this out. Here, let's do. It's still a little crumbly, but let's try a respin. Oh, that's looking good. So that was like a cross between an ice cream and a sorbet. I'm gonna go in one more time. Let's see if third time is the charm going on here. Oh, okay. Wow. That's looking really good. It looks like it should be creamy, but it's kind of has an iciness to it, which is more reminiscent of sorbet. That's nice. A bitterness is coming through. I like it, but I don't love it. It's still super refreshing and I don't mind it. But I can't say I love it because there is a bitterness here. Now let's try the one without the pith and the seeds. I didn't have the whole peel in here and the seeds, so I didn't think we needed to strain it, but it looks like there's some settling at the bottom. So maybe there was something there that could have been strained out. I made sure to flatten it. Once again, I'm going to go with the sorbet setting. This is definitely more icy. I'm going to do one more spin. I put some lemon zest on top there. So this one is delicious. 10 out of 10. It's really good. It could actually use a little more sweetener for me, but it's really good. Mm. I'm not getting much ginger. If I didn't have ginger in here, I'd probably be like not knowing that there was something missing until it's missing. I don't know. It's definitely more like sorbet because there's not a lot of fat, I guess, in this. There's the hemp seeds have fat, but not enough in here to really make it creamy. We have succeeded in creating a delicious ice. Italian, almost, kind of like an Italian ice, actually. More like that than a sorbet. This is super refreshing, though. And this, I don't taste bitterness at all. I don't taste the bitterness from the lemon. I'm not mad at it. Let me know if you're going to try this. I have some ideas on what I could do to make this more of a lemon ice cream. So I'm going to try those out. Stay tuned. I have a bunch of Ninja Creami recipes where I used banana as the base. I also have some other Ninja Creami recipes, chocolate, vanilla, where I don't use a banana. So that's something that you might be interested in. Check those out as well. I'll link to those. I hope you'll try this. It's really good.